A tornado watch and a wind advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, scattered thunderstorms, some strong during the evening, will give way to partly cloudy skies after midnight. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds. Low 40. Chance of rain 60%. And on Thursday, abundant sunshine. High 49. Winds northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Thursday night, a mostly clear sky. Low 24. Winds northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook. Traffic congestion for our area.
This is your weekly planner.